YouTube? It's your boy Rob here with you in my hot garage. As promised, I wanted to give you guys a heads up on my new Super Tenere replacement, or my 2014 Super Tenere replacement. Before I do, just want to talk a little bit about the 2014. Bought it new back in 2014, and it's given me years and years of trouble-free fun miles. But after 12 years, it's time to give her a rest and get something a little bit more updated. Well, not really updated, but newer anyway. So yeah, later this year, I'll be saying goodbye to the Super Tenere. Probably put it on Facebook Marketplace and get it sold. But I'm gonna do one more epic ride with her this summer. And I'll talk a little bit more about that trip a little bit later on this week. But what did I purchase to replace her? A 2023 Super Tenere. Yeah, I could not abandon the Super Tenere model. I mean, I looked at the new 1300 GSA. I also looked at the Triumph Tiger, but I gotta say, the Super Tenere, you know, in terms of maintenance, in terms of ease of repair, there's nothing out there like it. I always said that I was gonna have or maintain an adventure bike in my stable, and I think this 2023 will do me good for the next several years. Purchased it used. It was 3 years old. The previous owner only put like 700 miles on it in 3 years. And the reason why he sold it, according to the dealer where I bought it from, was he said it was too boring for him. And it blows my mind. How can something this reliable and this tough and durable and comfortable be boring? And it does pretty good on the roads. Does pretty good on the twisties. So, hey, his loss, my gain. But yeah, this is going to be a fun bike to ride for the next 6 or 7 years. I don't see myself getting rid of this bike anytime soon. I already ordered some parts for it, some new panniers, and a skid plate, some fork protection, and I'm going to get this bike flashed this winter. But yeah, there you go, folks. That is the new acquisition, a 2023 Yamaha Super Tenere, to take the place of my 2014 Super Tenere, which has been a fabulous bike. Great bike. So as far as the other bikes, I'm about to sell this MT10. I've had it since 2016, September 2016. It's been a great bike as well. But it's time for it to find another owner. And of course, I've got the BMW XR and the Honda Gold Wing over there. But yeah, folks, that's all I've got for you today. You guys stay tuned. Later this week, I'm going to give you guys a rundown of my trip that I have planned for later this summer. I got 3 other guys coming with me on this trip. Everything's locked in, and gonna need your input to see if you guys have any suggestions on what else we can see along the route. But yeah, that's all I got for you today. You guys stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.